Yeah, all right, guys. Welcome to question 31. And we are still on the challenge, still solving problems on differentiation. Now we have a different kind of function to differentiate. And this kind of function is called logarithmic function. And the process of differentiating it is called logarithmic differentiation. It is one of the easiest, guys. It's one of the easiest. Like I always tell you, these stuffs are easy. So I want to show you how to do this stuff. Within 5-6 seconds, you have your answer. Exactly, you have your answer. So let me show you the principles of differentiating logarithmic function. If I have y is equal to, let's say, log 2x for a start. Now we want to differentiate y with respect to x. Of course, this is a composite function. So what we are literally doing is applying chain rule, but we are doing it very quick. We are doing it in a way that you might not even know we are applying chain rule. So how do we differentiate log 2x? Now, 2x here is the argument of this logarithm. So if you want to differentiate log 2x, you have 1 over the argument, which is 2x. Now times, now when you differentiate the argument 2x, what do you get? You get 2. So when you differentiate 2x, you get 2, right? Now you multiply out, so you get 2 over 2x, isn't it? And that's going to give us 1 over x. We have differentiated like that. So let me give you another one that's a little bit advanced. So if you have log, let's say 2x to the power 2, and you're asked to differentiate this function, how would you go about it? Remember, whenever you differentiate a logarithmic function, you have 1 over the argument. So the argument here is 2x squared, right? So when you differentiate this guy, you're going to get 1 over 2x squared times the derivative of the argument. So when you differentiate 2x, what do you get? You get 4x. So when you cancel out, these 2 cancel out this 4, you have 2. And this s cancel out this guy, so you have 2 over x. All right, I'm sure this is really clear, isn't it? So how do we differentiate logarithmic function? You get 1 over the argument times the derivative of the argument. So let's come back to this problem. So differentiate, this stuff means differentiate log 4x cubed minus 2x. So remember how I told you how to solve it? You get 1 over the argument. The argument is 4x cubed minus 2x. Now times the derivative of the argument. So let's differentiate 4x cubed minus 2x. That will give us 4 times 3 is 12. That will give us 12x squared minus, if you differentiate 2x, you get 2. So when you multiply out, that's going to become 12x squared minus 2 over 4x cubed minus 2x. And that is the final answer, guys. And of course, that is option D. So that is it for now, and I'm sure this is clear. If you still have doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to other learners. That is one way to appreciate us, and we value what you're doing for us. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video challenge. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye-bye.